Police in Embakasi are investigating a racket involved in illegally packaging and supplying gas to estates within Nairobi. This is after a truck was nabbed and is currently at the Embakasi police station with gas cylinders that were ready for distribution. The suspects use an unknown gas brand, and according to police officers at the station, investigations are ongoing to bring to book those involved and have them charged in court. Police say anyone arrested will be presented in court tomorrow morning. Well, there have been concerns about the safety of gas products being sold in estates, with some unscrupulous dealers said to be on the government's radar. Police at the Embakasi station declined to comment on the matter, saying it was still under investigation.